Hi everyone, in this video I am going to answer a question that I get asked constantly, which is, does it really make sense to invest time in learning about LinkedIn Sales Navigator? Isn't it intuitive enough? What do you think, Gus? So, to answer that question, I created this doodle, which by the way is based in real facts. It was a real thing that happened. I just changed the names of the other two people. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this answers your question.
Let me introduce you to Michael and Alex. Their companies are paying for their LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. Michael uses it every now and then to see if he can find a client, but he is not getting any good results. Alex uses Sales Navigator every single day and he loves it. Since he started using it, he has been able to get in touch with decision makers that he has been trying to get on the phone for many years. And also, he doesn't have to do cold calling anymore. One day, the two of them ran into their friend, Gus, at the same time. Gus runs LinkedIn marketing campaigns for his clients. After talking about work for a while, Gus asked them if they were using Sales Navigator. To which Michael said, "Yes, but it is a waste of time. My company is throwing money away." To which Gus answered, "Michael, do you know how to use LinkedIn well? Have you taken any course?" Michael said, "Please, no need. How complex can it be? Plus, I watch a couple videos on YouTube, and anyways, I don't have time to enroll in a course because I need to use my time to generate leads." "Michael," said Gus, "Sales Navigator is one of the best lead generation tools out there. If you don't learn to use it well, you will waste time trying to generate leads somewhere else, or cold calling and complaining about how difficult it is to get new clients." Then Alex jumped in the conversation and he said, "Oh, I do use it every single day and it is awesome. I love it. Since I use it, my work is a lot easier and more fun. And now, thanks to it, I close bigger clients and my commissions are bigger." Gus said, "That is great, Alex. And did you enroll in a course or did you learn by yourself?" To which Alex said, "You know, I had seen how some of my friends tried to learn by themselves and wasted month after month after month, and often complained about how LinkedIn wasn't working for them. I decided that I didn't want to do that. So before signing up, I took your Sales Navigator course and enrolled in all your other LinkedIn courses. I watched them all in less than a week, and a month later, everyone at work was asking me for help. It was a radical change. Amazing. It was the best investment." So, I am sure you know people like Michael, but I bet you know very few like Alex, if any. And why is that? Easy. Because the majority of people are not using Sales Navigator to its full potential. And this is a huge advantage for you, because it is still virgin territory for you to go and take over before your competitors do. This is you, and now you have to choose what path you want to take. Michael's or Alex's? You decide.